Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. I just want to put this short video together to tell you about what I've got on my keychain. In particular, 4 items that I have with me at all times. And I carry these items less because of like ultimate tactical use or survival use, but just everyday carry type items that I seem to use on a regular basis. So here's what I've got. The first one is right here, which is a Night Eyes pen, right? So it's got this red tube, and then you pull the pen out. It's just a simple pen, but the number of times I've been in a place where I need to write a note, I need to sign something, and someone's like, do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? So I've always got a pen with me. Even if I've got one in my pocket, additionally, I know at least I've got one on my keychain. So again, you pull this like this, it pops out, you use the pen, and then you slide it back in, and you'll hear it click. And I've never had this thing fall out. I've never lost it. I've never been like, oh man, I had the pen in there, and then it slipped out. It locks in just great. So there's the first thing. Second thing I have with me at all times is this right here, which is essentially a surgical blade, and it's made by Claris, the flashlight company. And you can replace the blade. I think I got an extra one with it, but you can buy replacements. And this is something like if you go out and you're like, forget to put your EDC knife on you, now you've got a blade. You're not going to do carving with this. You're not going to be batoning with this or something like that. But, you know, you can use it for the basic tasks of cutting open some boxes or envelopes or whatever it is. It folds down. It is extremely sharp. I've never had this thing open up on me randomly. It's not like all of a sudden I'm poking myself in the leg with this thing. So be careful when you open it. It is basically just a friction lock system. So when you close it down, it does kind of lock in. So there's the second thing. Third thing is my fire steel from Exotac. This is the Nano Striker XL, if I remember. So it comes out like this. You can replace the actual, basically the ferro rod on the fire steel here. You take this end off like so. This becomes your striker. And then you attach this to the rest of the tube. You basically flip it around. And now you can hold onto this thing securely and strike it with the striker. So simple product. You can probably see this is kind of worn down. It's a little bit thicker here than it is there. I have replaced these before. I'll show you real quick. They are threaded, so they're very easy to work with. So crank this guy back into here, lock that in, and then when you're done with it, obviously just take this off. There's a little O-ring in there that you can replace if you need to. There's an O-ring there, basically around the base of that. So this will lock in nice and secure. And it did come with a little piece of cordage you can put on this as well. I just don't need it necessarily. So last thing is the iMorse. This is my my keychain light, my keychain flashlight. So you can see it's right here, that little crack there. It's kind of opened. Crank it down, it comes on at level 1. Keep cranking it down, it comes on level 2. You get low, high, and then crank it back a little bit and it goes off. Another thing about this one, similarly, is that it hasn't like randomly gone off on me. It's not in my pocket and then it gets cranked. It's got enough tension that it's not going to accidentally just get turned on. So those are 4 basic items. I got my keys. I got them on a carabiner. It is a kind of a big keychain set, but when I get into the car, I just put this, it's not in my pocket. And then if I go somewhere and I just need my keys with me, I can open up the carabiner and just carry my my car key and my wife's car key. So that's a simple little keychain setup. Those 4 items really important to me. I'd love to hear your thoughts on what you're carrying on your keychain. Leave a comment and leave a little list of things that you carry on your keychain. Thanks for checking out the video. More videos coming soon. Take care.